Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm gonna go over the trades that you could have taken today, what I took, and how we capitalized today. So very textbook day. So if we look at the charts, obviously the market was bearish going into today, and when we look at the put side, the 605 or not the 605s, the 595s right here. 30 minutes cross. What does that mean? Market's bearish. So right off the open, we ended up getting a nice rip, and this 50 dip got absolutely eaten up right there, and your entry would have been on the 0-day chart. So you could have taken this. If we go to the put side, 5-minute time frame, right off the open, the puts were breaking below this 50, gapped us up a little bit, and these contracts open red. So in this case, you just wait for either puts to recross if it went negative, or reclaim with the 10 right here, and we got above the 10 right here. Next candle that opened above the 10 just absolutely nuked. I mean, this candle right here on the in 5 minutes, you're probably already up like, who knows, 50 to 100 points just off of that single candle. And then right on that next candle open, it went lower, and you probably got easy 100 some points on that trade if you took it. And we ended up pulling right back to this 10/50 SMA area. Could have bought more short right there, stop loss below the 50, and there's a move you got. And we finally ended up breaking below the 50 SMA right here. I took this. We got down to another 50. I just like the risk to reward on it. Went short at this 50, and I lost, I think, like 20 points. So with the volatility we had, I mean, a 20-point loss is pretty much nothing. I mean, you were able to easily like squeeze out like 100 points on any of these trades back here, the reclaim or the 10 SMA right here dip. And then this chart went negative, and you don't take this negative cross. The market's bearish. You wait for short setups, and you don't go long here. So you could have longed this, not long, could have went short here in the close maybe. Nah, not really. It's getting too late to take that cross. But we ended up coming down in this 30-minute 50 here. If you look on the puts, very textbook chart. If we go to 30-minute, we ended up getting near this 50. We got a massive bounce here in a close, and if you were like bullish for some reason, I mean, there really wasn't much of a reason to be. Yes, it's possible that it could go down and cross negative, but I mean, since it's 30 minutes cross, the market is bearish, and your focus is on short. So the system really just helps you identify where we're heading and what to look for. So since it's 30 minutes cross, we look for short setups. You look for the 0-day cross. You look for 50 SMA dips. You look for those types of trades. So that's exactly what happened today. Very, very clean chart. So hourly ended up crossing. 2 hours probably crossing as well, and then we're at the 4 hour. So we already got an initial rejection here off the 4. So we're gonna see how we open up tomorrow, but we got our initial rejection off of it. If it breaks above higher, then we're most likely dipping into the 4 hour, not the 4 hour, the daily 50 up here near like $8.48 a contract. So once that 4 hour 50 breaks, it's pretty much a straight shot to the daily 50 if we could cross on this 4 hour. But that's pretty much what you could have taken today. It was very, very simple day. I mean, focuses on the short. No really, there's no long entries to take. You just look for the short setups, and then going into tomorrow, obviously market's still bearish. We're gonna be looking for the same exact thing: 50 SMA dip on puts, 0 DT cross on puts. Puts probably already gonna be crossed, most likely. But if they're not, look for the cross. If they are, look for the 50 dip. And then if we look on Tesla real quick, this was a beautiful short. If you trade options and you look at these, very textbook short. So if we go to Tesla real quick, I mean, it was just perfect. So look at this chart right here, 30-minute, same thing as SPY pretty much. I mean, pull back to this 50, you could have bought it near this 50 SMA area. And then also 4 hour time frame right here. Look at this 4 hour chart, man. It's crossing pretty much. So if as long as Tesla doesn't gap up a lot tomorrow, I mean, this thing's gonna cross right here, and it's gonna push us even lower. So I wouldn't be surprised if Tesla did drop quite a bit because of this chart right here. I mean, 50 is already curling up, 10's like vertical almost, and as long as it doesn't gap up massively, this should cross in the 4 hour, drop us lower. SPY chart's still pretty bearish. We are at the 4 hour 50, but I mean, it really depends on how we open up. And the 0 DT charts give you the entries, higher time frames kind of just paint the picture for you. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I got. If you guys enjoyed, drop a sub. If you guys want to learn, join the Discord down below. But yeah, I'm out. Peace.